Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. My name is Ishan Kesarwani and I will show you today how to find out whether a number is Armstrong number or not in the C programming language. So let's start coding. So now first of all we need to understand what an Armstrong number is. So an Armstrong number is a number whose sum is equal to the sum of its cube. For example, 153 is equals to 1 to power 3, 1 to power cube plus 5 to power cube plus 3 to power cube is equals to 153. So 153 is an Armstrong number. So let's start coding. We will define a main function and before that we need to define the hash include stdio.h header file. For the input output purpose. Now we need to take a number and for that purpose I have taken an int variable n and I will be needing an I variable for the looping purpose and a sum variable also which will be initialized to 0 and also I will be needing another variable, say it's x. Now let's take the input from the user. Enter a number. Scanf. We take the input from the user. %d, comma, address of n. So now I will store the variable n in another variable so that it might be easier for me to compare it. So I will be using while loop for checking whether the number is Armstrong or not. While n is greater than 0 and here I have to write the condition. So I have a variable x equals to n modulus 10. Modulus gives us the remainder. Now sum variable sum is equals to sum plus x cube. As we all know that the Armstrong number is the sum of the cube of its digits. So we are writing here sum is equals to sum plus x cube. Now number n is equals to n divided by 10. So what is happening here is when a number say 153 comes, then 153 modulus 10 gives us 3 as a remainder. Then 3 comes to the x and is stored in the x variable. So now 3 comes here and when the 3 cube is taken it comes out to be 27 which is stored in the sum variable. Now when the number 153 arises then 153 divided by 10 gives us 15. So now the new value in the n is 15 and this loop will continue until the n reaches less than 0. Okay, so now I will simply print the condition if r equals to sum, then what should be printed? It should be printed a Armstrong number. Armstrong number. Else not an Armstrong number. Printf not an Armstrong number. So now I will compile it and run the program to check whether the number is an Armstrong or not. So I am giving the input 153. So it is showing us that it is an Armstrong number. So let's check another number. Say 26. So it is saying that it is not an Armstrong number. So you can see how easily you can write a program and check whether a number is an Armstrong number or not. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more such programming videos.